Mr. Lanohi said. So I just add one more point. In fact, we from the Hill Farmer Union, we are very thankful to the government for the market intervention scheme. You call it CMASHO, so from our side we call it the market intervention scheme. So we want the government to maybe increase the budget, and just because in all other produce it's not just the broom which you have intervened. So in case if there is any distress for farmer in terms of the price, so you can also look into through the market intervention scheme. For example, right now even ginger also we do not have the fair price. So in all the produce during the distress only, so you can just intervene with your
I mean, we would love to do that. It's just that we have to see, some, because again, for government, what is the most difficult thing to do is that once you take that one step forward, you can't take it back. So, so we have to be very careful when it's like ad hoc schools. Once we take one ad hoc school, there's no question of going back. So once we take the products and suddenly we realize that we cannot support the farmers, yes, because the number has gone up to 4 lakhs now and the amount required for this is like 2,000 crores, then I'll be in a very, very difficult position.
Okay, sir, you are also aware this scheme, in fact it's a good model. Yeah. See, you might have invested 100 crore. Otherwise, you will be spending just 30, maybe 20, just 30%. Why? Because the government is getting back the whatever they have invested. Yeah. We return that. In fact, the government is getting back as a credit. Yeah. So technically you will be invested just 70 crore, let's say, out of 100. So this is a very good model. So you can do the same with the other product. It's not like you have just...
So you multiply it into 10 and it goes to 1,000 crores. then you say, oh, government is only going to spend 700. So the scaling is something, I don't disagree with you. Yes. If you ask me, I want to do it for all. You're absolutely right. It's just that I want to be very careful so that I don't overcommit, because then, it becomes not just a scheme, it becomes an entitlement. And then once it becomes an entitlement, then it's like, as I said, certain grants are there, then the grants become entitlement, and title becomes salary. And then we are in a tremendous pressure that tomorrow it will be like, where is the same assured scheme? Why haven't you given us our assured scheme? So it's like that. So I have to be very careful while we do this kind of things, not because we don't want to, but because the message that goes and the expectation that we built up, because we don't want to leave our people, hanging in, after announcing it and not doing it. I think that would be something that we want to avoid. So yeah.
So I'll just mention quickly, sir, the point. And again,
but I'm not saying no. I'm just saying that we'll examine it.
I'll just mention, so winter crop, I think you have some budget for winter cropping. So I appreciate the government. So we should, in fact, so that we can around the year do the farming activities. Sir, why they are not doing around the year? Just because they do not have the proper irrigation and water. But sir he has allotted some fund regarding the winter crops. So I would like the government to
absolutely. I agree with that also.
Yeah, and again, sir,